Hello guys, thank you for being with us from the beginning of the tutorial to this stage. Your time is most appreciated. So in this tutorial, as I said in the previous one, I'm going to deal with these two buttons, that is the customers and the report. Now, let's say a client has come to our business, our washing bay, okay, to wash his car. All right, so when the client comes, the client walks to the manager. All right, so with this app, the process at the washing bay changes. Currently, the detailer approaches the client, then deals with the client. Then after the car has been washed, the detailer has to get the money from the client before the detailer makes payment at the manager's end. Now, with this application, that process changes. This is what happens. So when the customer comes to the washing bay, the customer walks to the manager. The manager then opens this icon, the customers. So the manager will open this icon, then request from the client the kind of service the client wants, the washing bay to render for him. So with that, the client might say, I want you to wash, I'm doing full body only. So with that, you select the service type, okay, so full body. So when you select the full body, then you load the cost of the full body. So you click on the load service cost. All right, system will process and bring it out. So they tell you, please, the service cost is 10 cedis. So so it's like the manager telling him that, oh, the full body costs 10 cedis. Okay, right, fine, I'll pay. All right, so if yes, then proceed. Okay, yes, proceed. So when you click on the proceed, this main form pops up. Fine. Now we have to capture the records of the client for future marketing sake. Do you get it? All right. So let's capture the details of the marketer, of the client over here. So we enter probably, let's say, Coffee Nemo. The phone number is let's say the car number is BA 1001 R. Okay. Then you go to the next option. So in the next option, what you have to do is you have to select the detailer. Okay, so the manager assigns a detailer to the client. It's not the case that the detailer will now go and approach the client. Now the detailer will be assigned to the client by the manager. So the manager will select the detailer, then the amount received from the client, say 12 cedis. Then select the mode of payment. So in what form did the client pay the money? So you say that cash or mobile money. So cash, perhaps in this coronavirus, this COVID-19 season, most of the cash, some people will choose to pay with mobile money anyhow. So the app has provided 2 slots for you. You can choose any of them. So let's say cash, which is common in that area, in the washing bay area. So now let's confirm the entries. So we have the name, phone number, and car number. The detailer was assigned the amount, the cost. Then we submit. So when we submit, the system sends an SMS to the customer. Okay, in the form of receipt. Yeah, I've received my own here. So the system was sent an SMS to the customer, all right, as a form of a receipt, which is new in the system. All right, so now I click on all right, because the record has been successfully submitted. Thank you. So that is all. These are the processes that you go through. That is all. So at the end of the day, if you want to know the sales of the day, Okay, because at the end of the day, these retailers will come, my share, I need my money, I need my money, I need my money. Good. It's of money we are all working. So when that one happens, at the end of the day, you go to reports. All right. You go to report, then you click on the general sales. In the report here, you see detailers, managers, categories, customers. These are all the reports. When you click on the detailers, for example, it will take you to the list of detailers that we have captured on our system. So we have Kindi here. Same way, when you go to the managers, you have the Kwame Danso created. You have Kwame Danso here. So that is how it is. Okay. So now let's go to the sales. So now I want to know the commission earned by each of the retailers and our daily sales. So we come to the general sales. Then our first form that comes up is the daily wages. So now to pay every detailer, you select the detailer's name here. All right. So now we have Kindi. So we select Kindi, then we select the date, the date, that you want to, get the payment record on. So we select today because we just made a transaction today. So we have date today. Then we click on the submit button. So we have Kindi. We want to know all the cars he washed, or the services he rendered out. We want to, on this date, we want to know all of them. So after selecting the detailer's name, select the date, then we submit. So when we submit, all the records, this will be the summary of the number of cars this guy has washed, the Kindi has washed. So the name will be here. The number of cars is 1. The amount gained is 5 cedis because his commission, the price was 10 cedis and his commission was 5 cedis, right? So then this is the date. So if you want to see the breakdown of this report, so you go to report, it will redirect us and indicate the breakdown. So Kindi washed a car with a number BA1001. The service type was this. The business commission is 5 and the detailer commission is 5. All right. Great. So if and the manager wants to also know the daily sales of the application, sorry, of the day, the daily sales of the day. The name, as the name implies, sorry, the daily sales. So if you want to know the sales of the day, you click on this menu and you say view daily sales. So you click on the view daily sales, then you select the date under consideration. Okay, the date you are considering. So you select the date. It could be any of them. Then you select okay. After selecting, then you submit. So when you submit, you see the difference here. So now we have the total sales here as 12 cedis. The business share is this, the detailer share is this. All right. So that is a breakdown. And if you want to know the reports of this, the details of this breakdown here, I'm going to click on this. So we have the total details. So we have the what do you call it? The items, the items and the car number. So we have the phone number, the car number, and the service that was rendered, the amount received, the business commission, and then the detailer commission. Right. Okay. So so that is it concerning the daily sales and the daily wages. Good. So basically, let me take you back to the menu. So this is the report that we were okay. So basically, this is how simple this application works. Now we've been able to see the general sales of the two daily records, let me daily transactions. So with this, wherever the business owner is, you just download the application and he will see all the sales that has been recorded for the day. And it wouldn't be the case that the owner or the manager has to come or has to be at the premises to know his financial status of the day. Okay, yeah, so this is what this app has been developed to solve. This is a problem that has been developed to solve. All right, so thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Your time is well appreciated, and if you have any question to ask, you can just ask them appropriately, and your answers will be answers to your questions will be issued out. Thank you very much. So I want to log out, so I'll just click on the log out and off. So thank you once again and enjoy the day. Bye bye.